Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, sorry for the late, as we were in another meeting for the placement. So we got late, and all the other coordinators, TNP coordinators, are also joining. So just to wait for 2 minutes, and we will start with the queries that students are having, right? Because already whatever the placement related things and all the other details we have already given to you. So just a minute. Okay, so basically the session is just to let you know that like from fifth semester it is required to decide that whether you want to go for placement or higher studies. Second thing, that is once you are deciding that you want to opt for the placement, then it is required to start preparing for aptitude round, coding test, and the technical round. Fine. So basically, already the demo session related to aptitude has been conducted, and also we got the feedback from you guys, and as per the feedback, we have started planning for the series of the aptitude session, so we can cover the like all the important topics in this semester also. Fine. For coding, already code chef chapter details has been shared, and many activities are being organized by the code chef chapter, which is being shared by Mohammed sir on a regular basis, right? And many competitions will also come from the code chef itself, so that also will be the part of this preparation of placement. And then if we are going for the technical interviews, then in the sixth semester we will keep the brush up sessions for various subjects, right? So this is what about the placement. And now many students were having the queries related to placement policies. So basically, whenever we are opting the placement, right? At the same time, you guys need to sign the placement policy of Charu set, right? It is just a terms and conditions on which you are agreed before taking part in any of the placement activities. So in general, if we are saying, I will share with you the previous year placement policy, that is 2021 to every year we are making like few changes as per the requirement of industries and as per the requirement of our institution or university to make it more concrete, and like in many like in favor of industries as well as other thing, right? The reason is that the placement policies are not to like bind the students into some kind of thing, but it is for the betterment of students who require a placement, because it might be possible many times the students who actually want the job they don't get, and the students who really don't want a job just want to try for something and they got the job, right? So basically you need to first sign the placement policy, and the policy says that if you are appearing in any of the round in the placement of any company and you got selected, you have to accept that offer, right? Second thing, that is why is it so? Because first you need to select that whether you want to go for placement or not, because if you are really wants to go for placement, then only then select the placement, because whenever you will say that yes we are opting the placement, you need to sign the policy, and you need to sign the policy, that means you need to appear in each and every company which are coming into the campus, right? Like you will have the chance to not to sit in company after attending the pre-placement talk. Pre-placement talk is just one type of presentation which company is presenting to the students to demonstrate, or we can say to show them the policies, the offers they are providing, the bond what are the terms and conditions the student must sign at the time of joining that particular company, right? So that is the pre-placement talk, or one small presentation about the companies, which facilities they will provide, what will be there. So till pre-placement talk, you can decide that whether you want to go for that company. But once you have appeared in any one round, and if you got selected in that round, you need to appear in the next round, right? And there is a one company, one student policy. So if you are getting placement in one company, from then onwards, you are not allowed to appear in another company without taking prior permission to the TNP coordinators, right? It might be possible that you are having the offer of 5 lakh and some company with good package is coming. But then also, before appearing in that company, if college allows you to appear in that company, then and only then. Otherwise, one company, one student policy, one student, one company policy is there with our placement policies, right? Other than that, if we are talking about the bonds with the companies, now if you have got selected with the company and you are signing the bond of 2 years, after 1 year, if you want to go for higher studies, right, then college is not going to be interrupted, or we are not going to do anything in that bond. If company ask you to pay some money or anything, you have to pay. It is between you and company. College will never come in between of that. Second thing, whenever for example you got the placement, and if you are breaking the bond with the company, right, and if you are not paying anything and you are coming to the college to issue an LOR, that is a letter of recommendation. If you are going for the higher studies and you are applying for any of the university, right, then you require the letter of recommendation. So for issuing the letter of recommendation, you require the NOC from that company in which you got the placement, right? So these are the general scenario of placement policies. Like you have to appear in aptitude, you have to attend all the placement related activities, right, which is being organized by TNP cell or like TNP committee members. That is aptitude session, brush up session, all the session. That is another part. Any of the misbehavior, any of the misconduct, if you will perform during the any of the placement process or any of the activities, so it will be the decision of management and TNP cell whether you will be continued for the placement or not, right? So you have to follow all the rules and regulations which are managed by or developed by the institution and TNP cell and CDPC, right? So these are the various policies. I will share you the soft copy of the policies. You can read it. You can also show it to your parent, because whenever you are saying that we want to go for placement, on that placement policy you need to sign as well as your parent need to sign, right? So it is required that your parent must know about the placement policies of institute and university. This is what about placement policy. Your placement policies will come into the May and June of 2022, right? The new placement policies. Currently, it is just for reference, because many students has requested to in the meeting that they want to look into the placement policies, right? So that's why we are sharing with you. It is just for your reference only. It is not actual placement policy that you need to sign. You can show it to your parent that this type of placement policy may come in 2022 for us, right? So this is what about the placement policies. The plan we have already shared, and anything other than that, if you won't have any doubt, then you can ask. Any student, any doubt? You can either unmute yourself and ask, or otherwise you can write into the chat box. It's fine.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I wanted to know that if we in the starting you will sign a policy, right? We have to sign a policy that if
Yes.
we sit in the placements, then we are means we will not be going for higher studies, right? So what if we
Yes.
put into our mind after the placements that we want to go for higher studies
Like
before the
after
bond with
completion of the
company?
bond, you can go. Like if company provides the bond of 1.5 year, after completion of that bond, you can go for higher studies. If some companies are coming with no bond, then you can take the placement in that company, and after 6 months also you can go for the higher studies. But if you are like signing the bond, if you got placed and in the company's policy says that you need to stay there for 1 year, then it is up to that company and you, that even if your bond is 1.5 year, you are like breaking the bond after 1 year, you are paying whatever company is asking for you, and if company is providing NOC to you regarding the same, that you can go for the higher study, we are ready to give you LOR. But generally company don't, right? So many companies come for like 2 years and 3 years bond. So after completion of your bond, you can continue with your higher studies. Even if many companies provide you opportunity to go for higher studies with their job as well. They can sponsor you for higher studies. They can sponsor you for part-time courses as well. So like you can decide after taking job as well. And if you are currently, if you are thinking that I want to take 1 year of experience and then I want to go for higher studies, then I will recommend you that prepare well for higher studies, because the reason is that the minimum bond of companies which are coming for placement, like campus placement, that is 2 years, 1.5 year and 2 years. Only one or two companies are coming which is coming with no bond, right? So if you are thinking that when I want, like if you are thinking that no, I want to go for higher studies only, right, then don't sit for placements, because many other students are there who only wants placements, they don't want to go higher studies, right? Your goal should be clear, your path should be clear. Still you have like 10 to 11 months to decide whether you want to go for placement or higher studies, and that's why at this early stage we are preparing you to take the decisions, right?
Ma'am, and is it compulsory to accept the offer letter? मतलब
Yes.
will they give us time or
No,
तुरंत ही करना?
तुरंत ही.
तो
If you are like if you are appearing in company and result is came, that means you have accepted the offer letter.
हाँ, तो अगर पहले कोई इंटरव्यू दे के रखा और उसका ऑफर लेटर बाद में आया तो दो दो कंपनी के ऑफर
No,
लेटर हो जाए.
no. Once, for example, if first offer letter is coming, that means you are placed in that company. After that, mm, like nothing will be considered.
नहीं मीन्स
Correct?
अगर ऑफ कैंपस गया हूँ कहीं पे और
You
बाद
are
में
not
आया हूँ.
you are not allowed. If you want to go for off campus, then don't apply for on campus placements.
ये
Like many students think that like we are preparing for higher studies, we are planning for higher studies, we like you are getting the good score in GRE, IELTS or TOEFL, whatever examinations you are giving, fine, but you are also getting the admit from the universities, but at the visa time you are not getting the visa, then what will be your future? Then let me tell you one thing. After, if you are, once you are pass out, then also if you want to go for placement, like you like we you will be passed out in 2023. So in June 2023 you will have your degree certificate. At the same time you are not having job, you are not having the visa of any of the country, and now you will say that ma'am we want a placement, then also we will provide you the opportunity. It is not like that. But if first you want to try for higher studies, then don't sit in placements, right? Like if you are already aware, your seniors interaction, that is about Rushiraj from C. You are already aware that he is placed in Bangalore based company with 15 lakh of package, right? He was sure that he want placement in data science only. You don't want to go for any technology related job like software developer or mobile application developer. So he was sure that I want data science, so he didn't apply for campus placement. He simply said that man, I want to do job but I only want in data science. And as the placement policy says that if any of the companies are coming, like, right, so if you are not appearing in 3 consecutive companies, then like it is not allowed. So basically he said that okay, I don't want to go for on campus placement, I will get the job from off campus. So he has got it from off campus, he tried and he got, right? So if you are thinking that you want to try with off campus, then don't go for on campus. From very first they say that I am not ready to sign placement policy and I don't want to go for on campus placement, then also it is fine. Anything else? Some students are thinking that we want to try for GATE, right? That we don't want to go for abroad, but we want to try for GATE. The examination of GATE like generally comes in February, and the result get out in March or mid-March or April, right? So, ma'am, what should we do? Should we take a placement first and then we will apply for GATE? If I will get good score in GATE and then I want to go for MTech, don't take placement, go for GATE, prepare very well for GATE. If you are not getting good score, if you are not getting admission in IITs or NITs, then come to us for placement. At the same time, many opportunities will come. But don't say that ma'am I want to go for, if I will get good score then I want to go for MTech. Prepare well for MTech, prepare well for MS, or prepare well for placement. First give your 100% to your first priority only, and decide priority first, that you want to give priority to which choice. You want to go for GATE, you want to go for higher studies, or you want to go for placement, right? And then come. Because if you will think that I will get good score in GATE, but let me take placement first, then you will never get good score in GATE, because your whole focus will be on placement, not on GATE, right? And then after doing one job for 1 year, and you will have something in mind that I want a master's degree, but placement થઈ ગયું તું ને GATE માટે prepare ના થયું, something like that. સો બેટર છે કે તમે લોકો પહેલા તમારી ફર્સ્ટ પ્રાયોરિટી સિલેક્ટ કરો, એને તમારું 100% આપો, and then if you are not getting success in first priority, then go for second priority. Fine. Anything else?
Ma'am, have you done recording of this session? Ma'am, I could not join because of fever, so I've joined right now.
I have not recorded the meeting, but if you have any doubt, I will share the written copy of the placement policy for your reference, right? You can read it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I have, yes, I have just discussed the placement policy, nothing else. And if you have any of the, like in future also, if you have any doubt, we will share with you the list of placement team, or we can say TNP committee of DEPSTA. You can mail any of them at any moment of time with your doubts. They will reply you by mail, right?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Any
So
other?
it was
Yes.
entirely about the placement policy only, no? Nothing else.
Sorry.
But ma'am, you discussed the placement policy, that's all, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I wanted to ask that crash data system is not having like a bond or something, because
No,
last
they are
year,
having. Yes, they
like
are having bond one of 1.5 years.
last year Jay Pandya, he did internship there and then went to Motorola. So what was that scene?
Like the scene was that in Motorola he was getting some good package. Institute has allowed him to go to Motorola. As I told you, if you are getting the 5 LP of package, and if you are getting good opportunity, then if institute have that relationship with the organization, and mutually if we are allowing that candidate to shift into another organization, then it is fine. Like currently many students got placement in from current batch 2018-22 batch, right? Many students got placement in Crest data system. After that, one company came for 8 lakh package, one company came for 10 lakh package, and currently today I think so there was a interview of MG Motors. So many students allowed uh, in that those companies, irrespective of whether they are placed or not. So it will be the decision of from CDPC that whether once you are placed, after that in which companies you will be allowed to appear again for higher package. But it is not like that, like without, as like if you are appearing for off campus, right? In Infosys, then Goldman Sachs, then any other company which is providing you the package of 15 lakh, 20 lakh, Amazon, Facebook, then you can simply take the permission from placement coordinators and apply. It is not like that you are not allowed at all, but like you are getting 4 lakh of package from college, and for 4.5 lakh you are saying that I am getting off campus good package, then you are not allowed. The case is that, right? So after taking prior permission from the TNP coordinators, you can apply for higher package companies.
Ma'am, bond was like for 1.5 years. So he had to pay to the company or not?
About Jay?
Yes, yes.
No, because it was from the institute itself.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
If we are allowing you, so we are having a talk with that company that this is placed in your company, now is getting good package. Two other cases was that, okay, fine. One was Tirth Shah. He got placed in Crest data system, and then he got digital package in TCS, right? 7 LPS. So he was allowed to go into the TCS, but it was the case before starting of the internship he already got. So before starting of the internship he got, so you are not aware about it. So it is up to CDPC. Like CDPC will request that company, and if that company allows to go to that student, then it is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Thank you.
what is the difference between what should be the difference between the two packages so that the CDPC allows?
There is no. There is no minimum package or something like that. Generally, from till last year we were allowed the difference of 2 lakhs, but now we have removed that clause because many students were taking the benefit of that clause, and now we have decided that once all the student will be placed, then and only then the another student will be allowed for the second time placement, right? And if some companies will come for good packages, then and only then, if CDPC will allow, then and only then that students placed student can appear in another company. So there is no minimum amount clause, minimum package difference clause. So it
Ma'am,
might be
not
possible
for
that
college
wherever
placement, for college placement and off campus if he is applying.
in off campus also you need to take the prior permission.
So it depends totally on CDPC whether he will be allowed
Yes,
to go into the off.
yes, Yes, yes. If company will be good, if your package will be good, then CDPC will never deny for off campus, right? Because we don't want to restrict you. We also want that students should go into good organization. If one of my students will get placement in Amazon, then but obviously it will be the proud moment for us as well, right? So don't worry for the same. But you need to
Yes,
inform us first or take a prior permission. That's it, nothing else.
yes, ma'am. But Amazon is not everyone's capacity. So if he is getting somewhere a low package, but off campus, but in a famous company, so why can't he go there? Because Amazon ask they are asking 5 rounds of DSA, then
But for
a lot
example,
of
if you are getting 5 lakh of package from college, and if you are demanding for 5.5 lakh of package from off campus, then why should you apply that for 5 lakh package? For 50,000 rupees, if you are like breaking the
ma'am,
bond or breaking the
the fame of
policies,
the company might not add to the person's career the famousness of the company.
but that as I told you, that will be dependent on the CDPC. If company will be good, then we are not like we don't want to restrict anyone, right?
Okay.
So it will be dependent on CDPC that whether you will be allowed or not. But if you are thinking
Okay.
that you will get a good like through off campus, then we will advise, it is advisable that don't go for campus placement.
Yes, ma'am, but that will also be a risk now. If he cannot make it in the off campus, then he will be of neither
But
campus placement
but
nor.
as we told you that like જ્યાં સુધી બધા જ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પ્લેસ ના થઈ જાય ત્યાં સુધી કંપનીઝ આવે જ છે. Like previous, all the students from previous 2017-21 batch, all the students are placed. Still many companies are coming which is asking for pass out students. As I told you that કે તમને for example higher studies માટે admission પણ મળી જાય છે પણ તમને visa નથી મળતા, તો now શું? So still companies are coming for 21 pass out students. So many students who opted the higher studies are now applying for the companies for the placement. So if for example in starting of the semester you are saying that I want to go for off campus, after trying off campus for 6 to 7 months, then you are coming, then we will allow you to place in upcoming companies, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, sure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, any other doubt? Any doubt, or we should conclude the meeting? Like in future also, if you are having any doubt, you can ask to your counselor, TNP committee member, anyone, right? We will share with you the mail ID of committee members, right? Anyone else from the TNP committee member who want to convey something? If I forget to deliver or if I forget to address any point? Chintal ma'am, Janardhan sir, Chirag sir, Krishna ma'am.
I think you have covered all these things now.
Okay, Banshri ma'am, Urvi ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so from our side, we have covered all the topics, I think so, and we have addressed all the issues. And we should conclude this meeting now. Thank you also students and faculty members for joining the session. Right? Thank you all.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.